So guys, mag-unboxing tayo. Ito nga pala yung gift na nakuha natin nung nag-launching ang Beauty of Joseon. Ang host ay ang Lamis Beauty. So meron silang pa-games and lahat kami nanalo. So yung CEO, namili na lang siya ng parang best outfit. Talaga namang nagulat ako kung may video lang nung hitsura ko nung pagkakagulat ko. Akala ko kasi yung tinuturo yung katabi ko, tas ako pala. Siguro nag-stand out lang dahil parang ako lang yung kakaiba yung pagka-pink na suot ko. But anyway, thank you sa Lord and let's open this. Let's go. Alam nyo, itong packaging na to, naalala ko dito yung J Cosmec. Si J Cosmec kasi ganito din yung packaging niya, tas may pa ganito siya, iba lang yung style. Siguro yung mga K-beauty talaga, ganito sila mag-balot-balot. So, ayan. And of course, meron siyang tela na pink. And then, may box pa rin siya. So, tuloy-tuloy na natin ang open. Nakalagay dito is Beauty of Joseon. So, ayan. Ang cute nung design niya. So, let's open. Ay, wow! Ang dami! So, ang dami, guys. First, ang binigay nila sa atin is itong keychain. Glow Nutty Keychain Set. So, buksan natin. Ayan. So, keychain siya guys na pwede nyong ikabit ito. Which is, ano ba to? SPF 50 PA+ Sunrise plus Probiotics. So, it is a sunscreen. Yeah, sunscreen guys na pwede nyong ikabit tapos ilagay nyo sa bag. 'Di ba? So nice, so cute. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you, Beauty of Joseon and Lamis Beauty. Next is this one. Huy, ang cute. Panglagay din sa bag, guys. It's a charm with a hair tie. It's a moon rabbit. Charm siya, guys, na may hair tie. Ayan. So, ang cute. Look. Super cute, diba? Super nice. Ayan. So, galing to, guys, kay Beauty of Joseon. Cute. Tapos, ito yung hair tie. Nakasabit sa kanya. Panalo sa buhok. Okay. So, next, meron pa. Madami pa, guys. Meron din silang binigay na Moon Glow Mirror. Ayan. Ano siya? Mga aesthetic cutie patoti na product ni Beauty of Joseon. So, ayan. It's a moon size na mirror. And then, what else? We also have this Dynasty Cream. Of course, may cream din silang binigay. Meron din silang binigay na Calming Barrier Serum. So, it's this one. And last two, may binigay din sila na Green Plum Refreshing Cleanser. So, they give me this cleanser. May binigay din sila na Light On Serum Centella plus Vitamin C. So, ayan, ang dami guys ng product na pinamigay. So, sobrang nakakatuwa. And thank you Lord for this one. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung nakuha natin. And of course, may binigay din sila Miss Beauty na product. And baksan rin natin. Let's go. So, guys, ito yung binigay din ni Miss Beauty and Beauty of Joseon na PR nila. So, siguro mga more than 20 or 30 ladies kami doon. So, lahat kami bibigyan nila ng ganito. Maliban dun sa special gift, dalawa lang kami yon. It's a group A and group B. So, ayan. Ito siya. Lamis K-Beauty. So, guys, alam nyo, sila Miss, nasa kanila lahat ng mga K-Beauty products. And nakasale sila ngayon. Meron sila mga buy one, take one. Lahat ng favorite product nyo na kay Lamis, guys. So, i-visit nyo na sila sa Algorer Center, malapit sa Flava. So, let's open! Super excited. Tadan! Ayan. So, guys, marami din siya. Hindi siya basta-basta. So first guys, ay may binigay sila sa ating letter saying, thank you for celebrating the launch of the Beauty of Joseon Red Bean PDRM Serum with us. We're so grateful to have you and can wait to see your creative shine. As a reminder, we'd love to see. Ayan. So, yan. Ayan. So, gamitin natin to guys. Gawa natin ng content to sa mga susunod na araw. So, meron din silang binigay na Glitch Laser Tag, complimentary, valid for 2 person. Ayan, so meron silang, this voucher is valid for single use on a first come first serve basis. This voucher is valid until September 30, 2026. Strictly non-transferable and cannot be combined with any other promotion, discount, or offer. This voucher can be redeemed for age 15 and above. To redeem the voucher, please visit the main counter at Glitch Algorer Center. Additional terms and so meron tayong complimentary laser tag voucher valid for 2 persons. So puntahan namin yan ni Rodney. So, ayan, ang dami guys, ang daming product na binigay. Okay, of course, nandito yung product ng nilaunch nila na PDRN PDRN serum na Red Bean. Of course. So, this one is Dynasty Cream. Dun sa nakuha natin guys na special gift, meron silang binigay sa akin maliit. Ito naman yung malaking size nila. Then, of course, itong kanilang Glow Serum Propolis Plus Niacinamide. They give me also their SPF Sunrise. So, this is their sunscreen na meron din silang binigay na maliit. And they also give us this another Relief Sun SPF 50 PA+++. Alam nyo, mga Korean brand guys, they are really organic. Yung mga skincare na Korean brand, why they are mahal? Kasi organic sila and sa rice talaga sila. Naniniwala sila na yung rice talaga is one part of an ingredient para sa ating kagandahan ng skincare, ganun. So, of course, they give us this one, Revive Eye Serum Ginseng Plus Retinol. And Red Bean Water Gel. So, ito yung Red Bean Water Gel, guys. Maganda to. This is the last part. Kapag gagawin nyo na yung, alam nyo na yun. Okay. So, ito din yung refreshing cleanser nila. So, this is the first step bago ang lahat. Gawa ako ng skincare routine, guys, using this product. And this product is really, really good. And last but not the least, of course, this is their new product, guys, na nilaunch nila. Binigyan nila tayo ng Beauty of Joseon Pore Define Duo. And of course, this is the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask and Red Bean PDRM Plus Peptide Firming Serum. Ayan. So, ang dami guys na nang binigay and sobrang anyong K-Beauty, sabi ng box guys. Sobrang generous talaga, even the CEO itself ng La Miss Beauty. Alam mong very humble, tapos sobrang ganda niya guys. Sobrang kinis ng mukha, talagang Korean na Korean. Alam mo yung tipong parang ang inilagay niya lang is moisturizer, sunscreen, and serum, tapos hindi na nag-makeup. Wala na talagang as in concealer. Nothing at all. And then napaka skinny type niya. Sobrang ganda niya guys, as in. Tapos sobrang bait. And I'm so kilig when she choose me na ako yung parang nag-stand out doon sa sa best in outfit, everything. Though, parang alam mo yung basta ko na lang pinili na pink and white yung isusuot ko kasi kagigising ko lang, mamadali ako. Tapos nahuli pa niya ako, sabi niya, oh, your hair is wet. Ganon. Basta pa yung buhok ko nung dumating ako doon sa event. But I am very thankful to God for all this blessing for me. Receiving this product is a blessing, and being part of that launching ng Beauty of Joseon is really a blessing for me guys. So sobrang daming influencer, more than 30 lang kami na napili na maka-attend doon. Then yung mga Pilipino, wala pa kaming 10 na mga kabayan talaga doon. Talagang bilang na bilang. But I thank God for La Miss Beauty, for always, alam nyo, nakakatuwa lang kasi sila Miss Beauty guys, kasi lagi siyang nag-i-invite sa akin. And first time kong maka-attend ng makatotohanan na event nila Miss Beauty. And I'm very thankful. And I pray na si Beauty of Joseon and of course the Miss Beauty ay mag-succeed sa kanilang mga business. Yun naman yung laging prayer ko for all my collaboration guys. Alam mo yun, lahat ng collaboration na meron ako, ay pinipray ko talaga na Lord, mag-succeed sila sa mga business nila. Kasi I know they are being part of my channels of blessing din. So, kailangan talaga, pinagpipray din natin sila, diba? That's the one collaboration na pwede nating give back sa mga businesses na nakaka-collab natin. So, yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and hope you like it. And don't forget to give me likes, share, and subscribe to my channel, Queen Saliste, and follow my page and all my other social media accounts. So, bye everyone. Follow for more. Mwah.